With many beaches on the Gold Coast, we're going to show you why Currumbin Beach is the very best. Keep watching to see some amazing kite surfing at the end. Beautiful, absolutely stunning. Well, we just walked all the way along Currumbin Beach, absolutely stunning part of the Gold Coast. So if you get the chance, you definitely got to come along here and pay it a visit. And we've walked right to the end, and the beauty of this place is you've got the surf behind us and the waves, and then you come to the end and you've got all these magnificent rocks. I'll just turn the camera around so you guys can see. We've got all these fantastic rocks. There's Gary walking off into the distance. Lovely, beautiful area, and you've sort of got some, what I'd say are nursery waves for beginners, not that we know how to surf. And just around the corner here is Currumbin Creek. So if you want to do stand-up paddle boarding or swimming with the kids, nice safe area. And we'll just go around the corner here and we can get
ain't too hot at the moment, not too bad. Summer it will be.
Wait till summer.
You won't be doing this.
Well, exercise regime.
Morning.
We're down Currumbin Creek really early. It's about 6 o'clock, and we just put the coffee on our little percolator in the back of the van. There she is. Can't wait for a nice fresh coffee by the creek. You've got to get here early to get parked. Be cold.
It'll be warming up in a minute.
Bit windy.
A bit breezy, but we're going to enjoy that breeze later when it hits 28 degrees later, 29. So I'm not moaning. It'll be nice by the ocean. No, it's lovely down here this morning. Waves are up, surfers are out.
How's your coffee?
Bloody lovely. Perfect position as well. Look at this.
Look at that
Freshly
view.
brewed coffee. Oh, look at the water.
Can't beat that view, eh?
No.
Hello.
Hello. Here's Denise making breakfast. What we got?
Brekkie, banana, rock melon. I've got some strawberries and blueberries. Obviously we've not got this totally set up how we want it yet, but it does the trick. Gazza's put the coffee on the go just there, another coffee.
Yeah.
And we thought, oh, we'll do breakfast down here by the creek. Why not? We've got our fridge with the pull-out slide, which is brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. Fantastic. Freshly brewed coffee in our little percolator. cheap as chips. Lovely.
Yeah.
We could have sat for hours watching the kite surfers. They're
Getting in or what? Wait a video.
Tweedledum and Tweedledee.
Never mind.
No, it don't matter.
Yeah, it's alright.
I did a bit of toning up new bikini before I get this body out.
Yeah, you and me both.
That's it, that's the challenge.
Yeah.